How to update software and maps for Garmin smartwatches. There are two ways to update your Garmin watch. Install Garmin Express on your computer. See Garmin Express installation instructional video. After the installation is complete, connect the watch to the computer with a USB cable. Garmin Express will display "Connected," and the updates will start. If Garmin Express appears, "Install," or "Install all," click "Install" to start installing the latest software or the latest version of maps. After completion, Garmin Express displays "Updates complete," which means that the latest version of the software or map has been installed on the watch. Unplug the USB cable and wait for the watch itself to complete the installation. Little reminder. Remember that Garmin Express itself also needs to be updated. Go to Google Play or App Store to download the Garmin Connect app. After installation is complete, open the Garmin Connect app. Register an account or sign in your account and pair your watch. After the watch and the app are paired, the app will transfer the latest version of the software available to the watch. As long as the watch and the app are connected, a software update will occur automatically. Wait for the watch to complete the software update. Little reminder. Remember that the Garmin Connect app itself also needs to be updated. Above are the two ways to update your watch. If your watch has a map function, using Garmin Express will complete the update faster. For more information, see support.garmin.com.